This meditation is for anyone who has been unfairly cut off or blocked and seeks closure or wants to change someone's mind. Use this powerful meditation to start over with them, aimed specifically at the one who you desire to come running back to you. You can use this for romantic situations, a crush, an ex, or any specific person you want back in your life. Listen whenever you feel upset or sad. It works instantly. And make sure to right click and click loop so you can listen to this overnight. They will face unavoidable consequences and regret with full clarity of mind until they contact you again. Now let's begin. They feel alive even at the slightest mention of my name by someone else. There is an undeniable sexual attraction between us. They are always lusting for me. They are thirsty for me all the time. I make their heart flutter 1 billion times per minute. They only want me. They only crave me. They only care about me. We have the best chemistry, and everyone sees that. They want us to be more emotionally and physically connected. I am their ideal type. They can't stop smiling at my picture. They feel that I am like a part of them. No matter what they are doing, no matter who they are with, they are always thinking about me. My phone is literally overflowing with messages from them right now. They love me still. They never want to leave me. Our relationship is better than ever, and we are happier than ever. They want me back now. They ask me to be together again now. They realize that they need me back right now. I am thankful that they literally texted me asking me to hang out with them now. I am grateful and thankful that they sent me a paragraph admitting their wrongdoings and begging me to be with them. I am super thankful that they still have very strong feelings for me. They want me so bad and can't take it anymore. They want me so much they are willing to do anything to have me back. They regret what they said to me now. They want to be with me so bad it's crushing them. They don't want to let me go. I am eternally thankful that they are contacting me now. I am eternally thankful that they are loving me. I am eternally thankful that they are missing me now. They feel guilty for not texting me back. They are attracted to me with spectacular speed. They are scared of losing me. They are unwilling to let me go. They have reached out to me now. They love me more than ever now. They know I am the only one for them. They are loyal to me. They are interested in me and are obsessed with me now. They are begging to call me now. They are begging to speak to me now. They are begging to see me now. They are begging to hang out with me now. They are begging to date me now. They change into a better person for me now. They check up on me every single day. They are jealous of the nights that they don't get to spend with me. I give them sleepless nights. They are possessive of me. They are territorial of me. They are envious of others interacting with me because they are afraid of losing me to someone else. They are clingy to me. They don't want to leave my side. They sulk whenever I am out without them. They express their love for me. They constantly give me gifts for no apparent reason. They cancel all of their plans just to be with me. They see me as marriage material. They are always blowing up my phone with messages every single minute, every single day. They freak out when I don't respond to them. They always need to know where I am. We are officially dating now. They want to start a relationship with me. We are already a couple. They ask me on dates. They invite me out. They take me out. They treat me to meals. They are affectionate with me. They have a soft spot for me. They dote on me. This meditation works perfectly. I am getting the best results with this meditation. My desires manifest in less than a second. My meditation results come to me instantly and quickly. I have permanent results. I radiate sexual energy. They are craving me now. They want to be there for me. They want to lay down next to me, hold me, breathe me in, and give me all the love they have right now. They are lusting after me right now. They are craving me sexually right now. They are consumed with desire for me. I feel sexy. They find me sexy. They crave me insanely. I accept their love now. They only have good intentions towards me. I plant myself in their mind now. We communicate telepathically. We are soulmates. We are twin flames. We are each other's better half. They constantly think about me. They obsessively think about me. They text me how much they are thinking about me now. They always think about me constantly and obsessively now. It is already done. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. To affirm, write in the comments, they are begging to speak to me now. The more you listen to this, the more they will be filled with sorrow and regret until they finally contact you. And if you need more help making someone come back to you, let me help you by manifesting them for you. It is really simple. All you have to do is click the link in the description box below or head to joybyjanell.com. My clients are getting their special person back extremely fast. Subscribe if you enjoy these meditations and click this next one to continue on with your love journey.